Five Black Cats by Patricia Hegarty and Julia Woolf. 5 black cats on a dark, misty night sit in a row beneath the moonlight. 5 black cats on a shadowy street looking around. Who will they meet? 5 black cats now out on the prowl stop in their tracks at the hoot of an owl. Hoo, hoo. 5 black cats softly slinking around. You suddenly hear a strange, ghostly sound. 5 black cats bravely swishing their tails follow the sound of the low, eerie wails. 5 black cats, to their great surprise, are watched by jack-o'-lantern eyes. 5 black cats spot a tiny white mouse scurrying into a spooky old house. 5 black cats heard a little mouse squeak, then nudge open the door with a loud creak, creak. 5 black cats creep through their empty rooms. At the top of the stairs, a dark shadow looms. 5 black cats get a bit of a scare as the flip-flapping wings of a bat fill the air. All of a sudden, someone turns on the light. What a surprise! It's the ghost party night. The end.